Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your Viomi SE using the Xiaomi home app. So in order to do that, we'll need to of course have the device added to our phone, then press on it, then click on the three little dots in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down a bit and find looking for the robot. Press on it and you'll hear the sound coming from your robot. Let's do it again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.